Right, good morning New Zealand. So just come out nice and early just to have a quick snapper fish. We did alright yesterday when I came out, a few nice snapper, so I'm just using these, I don't know whether you can see these jerk shads. They're nuclear chicken with about a 3/8 jig head. So they've been doing the damage yesterday. I don't know whether they really sell too many of them in New Zealand in that colour, so we'll give it a shot and see how we go. I just dropped two. They took it on the drop, but I was too slow with them. They're both really good fish, so we might get on soon. Pretty much your bigger quality fish will always hit it on the drop. Yep, we're on. It doesn't feel like a monster fish by New Zealand standards, but probably still a nice little snapper. There we are. Still a nice size. There we are, that's him. Nice little bay snapper. Beautiful morning out here anyway, so hopefully a few more fish to come. Yep, just got one now. Feels like a cracker too. Just dropped a big kahawai before. God, there's so many snapper here. I just seen a whole heap of snapper following this one up. Unreal. I don't want to lose this bite, so I'm just going to chuck this out again and just see what happens. I'm sorting this one out. Yep, we're on again. This one doesn't feel that big. Kahawai, I think. Oh God, it's pulling a fair bit of string though. How's that? Oh yeah, nice little kahawai and a snapper. All right. So that's 2 from 2. We'll head back over, see if there's any more there. God, this just followed me lure up. I don't know what it is, but it's feeling pretty big. Big kahawai. Nice one. Well, that's it for me. I'm just gonna head in now. I've got enough fish. I sort of didn't catch too much more after that. A few carwai and things hitting, but didn't hook up. So just gonna head back. So you can't beat the scenery and the weather here this morning. It's unreal, so very happy about that. So anyway, we'll catch up on another one hopefully. It's pretty nice out here, an easy run back too. I got the wind behind me, so quite nice to just paddle off the beach and go catch fish like that. Where I'm from on the Gold Coast, you got to go probably a good hour out and just to get anything decent, and most of the time you'll get there and there's no fish there. So very happy about this morning to get nice fish like that. Yeah, it's just beautiful out here.